Sick of boring, bland meals? Let's spiralize your way to deliciousness with the Brieftons 10-blade Vegetable Spiralizer. This must-have kitchen tool is a game changer for health enthusiasts and foodies alike. With 10 interchangeable blades, you can create everything from angel hair noodles to ribbon slices, perfect for low-carb, paleo, and gluten-free diets. Built to last, this spiralizer boasts the strongest, heaviest duty construction, ensuring it stays by your side for countless culinary adventures. And using it, an absolute breeze. Simply pop your veggies in, turn the handle, and watch as your veggies transform into beautiful curly noodles. Plus, with the handy catch container, lid, and blade caddy, storage and organization are a piece of cake. But wait, there's more. You'll also get 4 bonus recipe ebooks packed with creative ideas to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Don't miss out. Visit our website today and revolutionize your kitchen with the Brieftons 10-blade Vegetable Spiralizer.